Come on in, gentlemen, get your safety glasses on as soon as you cross that yellow line. The Welding Rodeo started off pretty small. Just a couple schools got together to practice for the skills competition in welding. It's just a chance for them to get together, meet some students from other schools that are interested in the same sorts of things that they are, compete in a friendly manner. And
from a young age, I started in grade 8, and I loved it. It was like it was my favorite thing to do, and so I have such a passion for it. I just find it so fascinating. I want to do bead pressure welding, so that is pipe welding on oil rigs, so pressured welding.
I just find welding fun, so to me it's important because I want to be going into welding after high school. I'm a little nervous because I haven't started the 30 level class yet.
I'd like to win. Who doesn't want to win? But I'm just coming with an open mind, trying to have fun with the group of kids that I like to weld with.